And I've been tapering down over the years very slowly. There was a point where I thought that I had to get off the medication right away because of what others said, because of the stigma. Um, and it put a lot of pressure on me, and I tried to do it. And at that time, I was probably a year into my recovery, and it was very hard for me. So I, asked my doctor to bring me back up, but I didn't go all the way back up. And since then, I've been coming down really slowly, at my pace. So maybe one day when I do decide if I want to be off of it, um, then I will be ready to do that then. And I will tell you this, I am more ready now than I was a year in, because
Yeah.
I've done a lot of healing. I've done a lot of growing.
Yeah.
I'm further away from the fire.